Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last session, we had discussed about creating a project folder by using our Automation 360, right? And there was a AI Enterprise Knowledge Base package we had used, correct? So now in this session, we what we are going to learn, like in the last session, we had created this project, correct? APAC Learning API Automation 360 through API call, through API call. So now in this session, I want to do a chat with this particular APAC learning project. Under that, we have created our agent, right? Web search agent. That agent I am going to utilize. And I want to do a chat from Automation 360. This is the web search, right? This is the web search agent which we have created, correct, in the earlier session. So with this project ID and this with this agent, I want to do a chat via Automation 360 bot. Okay. So let me create a chat bot. Let me create a task bot first of all. So I will just mention chat bot. Okay. So now again, I'm saving to the same folder and I'll click on the create and edit button. So once I'll go inside, you can see that the enterprise knowledge package. So suppose you are unable to see that this package into your Automation 360 cloud version, the community edition. So what you have to do, you have to just go back to my previous session and just see that how we can import this particular package from bot store. Okay. From bot store, how we can export this one, import to this particular Automation 360 tool. So then in today's session, we are going to discuss about this ask question. Okay, so this ask question is nothing, it's a chatbot kind of things. You can pass your prompt from by using this particular command to backend side, this automation or agentic process automation tool to the a particular project or any agent which you want to do a chat, and it will give you the response. Okay, so let me do that. Let me utilize this ask and question. Let me drag over here, and then, as I already given a brief information about cloud version and on-prem version in the last session, just go and watch the previous session. So now here you are going to select the API key and the secret key from the credential vaults. In the last session, we already chosen from the credential vault. In this session, I am going to hard code right now. So for hard coding any value, so see, it's not a best practice to hard code any keys which are very sensitive over here. Okay, by using insecure string, always go with credential vault. Okay, so in last session we had already used credential vault, but in this session I'm just going to hard code over here so that I can just explain you what is the use of insecure string as well. Okay, so I already saved my credentials over here. Okay, let me copy this API key, copy and paste over here, and then secret key also I'll copy from here and copy and paste here. Okay. Now, next is, as I mentioned, in the first session, I guess we had created this project and we created this particular agent, right? So let me utilize this particular agent here. So I have to pass that project ID. Okay. So suppose if you have already written somewhere, note down like if you have already written somewhere this project ID, then well and good. You can just copy and store into one of the variable over here. You can pass that variable here. Okay. Otherwise, you have one more option. You just click on the refresh. Whatever project ID are available into this particular your login, okay, it will give you that all details. So suppose in the view all project, you can see there's a many more than one, means APAC learning is there, APAC learning API 360 is there, learning is there, chat, but these all are your project, right? Different project. So here all of the project ID and with the project name it will display into the list form. From that, whatever project you want to choose, you can choose. So suppose by any chance you are not aware and you want to do a chat and you have already a project ID, then you can choose the another option. Let's see that when we had passed the API key and secret key, by using that it is doing a test connection and then it will fetch that information from APAC tool. Yeah. So now see here, once I'll click, you can see all of the uh, project which we have created with project ID, right? It is displaying over here, right? So let me choose that APAC learning. Okay, and just match that id 5 and f, right? It's starting with the 5 and f. Just go there and just see that for epac learning, just click there and just see that 5f, right? This is the id, it is displaying there, right? That is correct only. Now and also the second option, as I mentioned, you can just pass your id into the variable, add over here, and just pass that variable over here. Okay, and then it is asking to choose a agent. Okay, means suppose if there's any agent present, because I have mentioned earlier, like there's a pre-built agent is also present over here, right? You can see here there's a pre-built agent, AI KB agent, AI search agent. There's a some different why so there's a some kind of like, if you are going to use AI KB agent now, so there's a some different need. Okay, if you ever if you are searching any information from uploaded document, from document only, like suppose you have a one document file. Okay, in that document only you are looking for some information, and in that case you can use AI KB agent. AI KB agent means AI knowledge base agent. So in the knowledge base you can upload your file, and by using this AI KB agent you can ask the question. What it will do, it will search that information from this knowledge base, whatever report file you have uploaded there. Okay, and by using AI Google search agent, if you are looking for any information over the internet means it is like even if I want to search what is the current weather for any city today, right? So in that case it will search over the internet, right? So in that case you can go with the AI search agent. And otherwise you already created your custom agent for your use case, right? And you want to do any kind of chat with that custom agent, so you can choose your web the respective custom agent. Okay, so here, once you refresh this one, then automatically your existing pre-built, whatever pre-built agent is there in that particular tool, that also it will come into the drop down. And also whatever agent you created, the custom agent, that also will come with the ID. Okay, and just go and just check that the ID of this agent is, which you have created, 63994, right? Just see that 63994 with the name, it is coming correct. Just choose that one, and now you can see it in model name. You can pass your own model if you have that model, because as I mentioned, if there's any AI provider like Google, Grok, or Azure, OpenAI, right? So all these AI provider are having their different models, right? So if you want to make a call to any model, that model name you can provide, and by default it is already given GPT 3.5 Turbo. And whatever model you want to provide, you can just write over here. Okay, or as also this model you can pass through variable as well. Okay, now the second thing is user query, means it is asking for your prompt, user prompt. Okay, so you can pass your prompt here. So suppose I want to search this question, right? In the last call, by using this particular agent, we were searching the world health statistics report from the WHO website, right? And we wanted to see that what is the landing page where this file is located. So I just asking same question over here. Okay, let me remove the white spaces from here. And yeah, and then whatever response it is going to generate via this agent, I want to save somewhere. So for that you have to just create a dictionary, because you are going to receive that JSON data, correct? So that JSON data will contain a body and all, right? Inside the body there will be message ID, there will be chat ID, right? There's so many information you are going to receive. So just first of all, just go and just create a dictionary variable, and just choose subtype any, and pass any name, just like response tick. Okay, create, and then come here, choose dictionary, and then select that variable which you have created. And now I want to display that response into the message box, right? So I'll go into the action and search for message box. Okay, so just drag and drop here, and just pick up that variable. Okay, restrict, add expression, click on that, and just choose method, and just select legacy automation dictionary. Okay, that's all. Insert, and now your code is ready. Means you are going to do a chat with that particular project and ID. Okay, that agent ID, and the response you are going to receive from that particular agent. is you are saving into the res dictionary variable. Okay, let me run it and just come here. See that for today, you can see for today only one chat is created. Okay, just let me refresh it, and once it will be trigger, then one more chat will be created. So this call is happening from backend side through API calls. Okay. Okay, so you can just see that it will create, and whatever response will come over here, it will display into that message box. Yeah, you can see initially it was only for today's date, there was only one chat, right? A two chat only, testing and the one. But now, just now it is created this one. Just now it is created this one. And the same response, whatever you can see here, right? The same response I am getting here as well. Okay, landing page, right? You just see here the landing page, same it is matching, right? In the organization name, and this data is coming from from the top. See, okay, the exactly same response I am getting from here. Okay, and you can see in the backend side also, in the front end side also of this tool, you are seeing the same thing, like because it is fetching the response from this tool only, right? By using that agent call. So now, apart from that, you can see there's a other information also present here in the dictionary, right? In the JSON data. So you can see there's a chat ID. There's a chat ID. Okay, and now just match with this chat ID. Okay, 68C4, right? Same chat ID is coming here, right? Correct. And the agent ID is also same. The project ID which you have passed from backends, and everything is coming same. So this is the way you can make a call by automation 360. Okay, by using that enterprise knowledge base package. Okay, so in the last session we learned about how to create project. In this session we learn about how to make a call to the custom agent or any agent which is present in your automation agentic process automation tool. Okay, and there you can just dynamically you can pass your model name, you can pass your agent name, whatever agent you have created or any existing agent you want to use, that also you can pass from here. Okay, and then you are getting a response, then you are saving that response into the dictionary, and you are displaying that information. Okay, so I hope you got everything whatever I explained you in this today and the last session. And if you have any kind of question, any kind of doubt, you can just ping me, you can just put your message to my chat, and thank you so much for watching this video, and just like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.